Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful print designer layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the print designer layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It has a very neutral color palette to it, and it emphasizes visuality. And you can definitely put your digital work in the spotlight using this beautiful layout pack. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the print designer layout pack. And if you click on it, you will be able to see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. Again, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance you really enjoy the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now when creating a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our pre-made layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the print designer layout pack. Select a layout of your choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. Now, as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So, of course, you can modify a written copy that comes with certain modules. But you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. And you can, for instance, use Divi's new background masks and patterns to create different shapes throughout your page design. Let's add a background mask, for instance. So over here you can select the shape of your choice, and then you can modify it, you can transform it. Let's put this at the bottom. We're also going to change the colors so that it blends in with the rest of the page. There we go. And you can pick any kind of shape of your choice and just create any design you want. Play around with all of the shapes over here, combine it with patterns as well. Let's go to the pattern area over here. We can add anything we want to make it as unique as we want and as versatile as we want. So go ahead and play around with all of these built-in options and this beautiful layout pack in Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.